Alam nyo ba guys na ang daming salon nag-o-offer sa akin not to brag na magpa-lashes. And gusto ko naman yung offer na yon kasi gusto ko maganda din yung eyes ko while giving birth or after giving birth. Kasi of course, nag-aabang kayo sa mga photos and videos na i-upload ko. But then, gusto ko talagang itry yung cluster lashes, yung false lashes na we don't need glue. So syempre, umorder na ako and I wanted to try this at home kasi I don't think I can do it anymore sa mga physical stores pa ng mga nag-o-offer sa akin. So this is from Doro Love and it comes with tweezer na I don't know how to apply this one but I've seen a lot of videos from TikTok shop na gumagamit nito and from different brand as well. May mga pa style na din yung pa curve niya sa lashes niya. I don't know if this fits to me but let's try this one on. Napapansin ko guys, yung lagay nito is very shala. It comes with plastic talaga and very, so here comes the perfect word, may maayos silang lagayan kasi yung iba nakikita ko naka parang libro lang siya. And the tweezer as well. This is lash applicator or tweezer, I don't know, basta ganun na yon. And may takip din siya, girl. Meron din siyang instructions how to use at the back, so it will serve as your guide. And hindi ka matutusok, girl, kasi meron siyang takip. Just like that. So let's try this one. This is 132 plus clusters and I can see na parang same style lang siya. It says here, you need to curl your eyelashes first. Wala akong ganun kasi hindi ako into curling lashes talaga. Kahit nga, di ba, yung makeup na binigay ko na curler, wala akong ganun. At saka yung mascara kasi hindi ako sanay sa mga ganyan. But try na lang natin without one. Let's try. Mano-mano na lang. Guys, sorry ha. Alam niyo naman first time ko. Feeling ko lang, yung dito na area is for the whole eyes na and the other one is sa kabila. Kasi parang may pattern sa dulo. I think I'll be needing a mirror but let's try this one first. Nakakita ko inihila nila yung face nila. Ay, oh my god, I don't know talaga. Hold on. I don't know how to... Ayan guys, nakaisa na ako. I'm sorry, I'm really having a hard time. It's falling. Really sorry in advance. I don't think I can show you the right way to do but I know very exposed na kayo sa FYP na into this thingy and it's very madali tignan or siguro I'm not really used to it lang. Ito na yung nalagyan ko guys. So sa wala. Makapal naman talaga lashes ko pero kailangan lang siya i-lift. That's why most of the time pupunta ako ng mga salon yung magpa-lift lang ako ng lashes pero not literally magpa-false eyelashes. Pero minsan nag-o-offer din naman sila. That's why nagpo-push ako but ngayon kasi hindi ko feel yung mabigat sa eyes. That's why gusto ko i-try to but I'm really having a hard time. I'm so sorry. Baka konting practice pa. More practice pa para sa akin. I think I'm learning it already. This one is better. Look. Oh. Than here. So, I think I just need more practice. So, kailangan talaga ng patience and ng practice and soon, makikita nyo magaling na ako maglagay ng ganito. Gusto din mag-avail ito, syempre, ilalagay ko siya sa yellow basket.